Welcome one and all to Imagination Exploration, and welcome to our construction update at Disneyland Paris. Let us first take a look at the Disneyland Park, where we can see that the castle bridge is now closed off and beginning its refurbishment. Plaza Gardens is also now closed and is undergoing a refurbishment that roughly takes about 1 year. Discoveryland, the old Pizza Planet entrance, has reopened and is now home to the first aid, as the normal first aid building is going to be under refurbishment right next to Plaza Gardens. Disney Adventure World. At the Tower of Terror, the new queue is now also open. Let us now take a look at the construction of the up attraction. Behind this gate you can see the Lion King testing area. There you can see the construction of the new Lion King themed area. You can now freely enter the world of Frozen. That means also from the right side, because previously you only could enter it from the left side by entering a queue.
Important piece.
Wait, what's missing?
Who said something was missing? Oh, I did.
Mais non, il dit que peut-être il manque quelque chose. Là, ici. Enfin, au sens figuré, bien sûr. Oh.
Okay, Olaf. What did you forget?
The glittery, beautiful, sparkling ice pebbles that go right here.
Let us now enter Disney Village. Let's take a look at the construction of the new Italian restaurant Casa Giulia. There you can see Anett and Disney Wonders under construction. Right next to the new McDonald's, you can see the place where the old McDonald's used to be, and it's now completely demolished. Thanks so much for watching, we hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss anything new.